Hi everybody and welcome back to As the Rooster Crows. Joe found a recipe online for duck and oyster gumbo and wanted me to make it for him, so we're going to make it up. Let's get started. I'm going to use 2 whole ducks and we are going to split this. Then we're going to cut out the backbone. Make sure you have a sharp knife. I just sharpened this one. Found these little kittens in a wood pile and I'm letting them run around the house right now. So it sounds like there's a horse running through here. That's what it is. I normally keep them in a kennel. Alright, so what we're going to do with this is we're going to throw it along with the neck into a pot of water and boil it. Alright, got both duck backbones taken out. They're on the stove along with the neck, and we're going to boil those for about an hour. So in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and chop up our veggies. I'm going to do 3 stalks of celery, a bell pepper, and a large onion. And y'all, duck is not my thing. I don't like it at all. This is 100% Joe. And I already did the bell pepper, so I think I might try and get some of these backbones out of here so they're not floating around in the gumbo. After my eyes quit tearing up. Here we go. It's going to be a lot of duck. Joe better bring his appetite for this one. In my pot, I added some olive oil. I'm also going to add some butter, just enough to coat the bottom, and I'm going to saute these, or cook down these veggies. And while my veggies are cooking, I'm going to cut up my smoked sausage. I'm going to get this browning in a different pan. I put about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in my pan back there. That's where I'm going to brown my sausage. I have my backbone and my neck bones in here, making some broth. This is This is going to be interesting. I hope Joe likes it. Alrighty, got my sausage out. Now I'm going to take these veggies and I'm going to put them on top of my sausage because everything can go in at one time. Alright, now I'm going to put a cup of oil and a cup of flour. Keep on stirring. Might have to add some more flour. And get a half a cup ready just in case. We want this to get a nice chocolate brown or dark brown. I drained my neck bones and all of that, so I have that. Ready to go in here. I think we're ready. We're ready for some of that good old broth. Pour that in. I'm going to go ahead and add these vegetables and my sausage. I'm going to add 4 cups of water. So that's 8. Poo. And my spoon fell down. So now I'm going to add my duck. I hope that's enough room for all this duck. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna also add all this organ meat. Joe likes that kind of stuff. All right, I'm gonna let this cook and thicken up. The oysters don't go in until the last few minutes. I'm gonna cover this. Let it go. 4 hours. For now, I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, and 1 of garlic. Stir that up. Put the lid back on. Still got a long ways to go. I'm going to skim off some of this fat. It's really smelling good now. Probably should put more sausage in here, but this will be good for a trial run. Alright y'all, I cooked this last night. Now I'm about to put the oysters in. We didn't have any last night. I just cooked the duck. So put the oysters in with their juices and cook for 8 minutes. I haven't put any other seasonings in except what you've seen. I tasted it this morning. It tasted really good, so. Alright, we'll let this go. Alright, taste test for the duck and oyster gumbo.
Ooh, that's right, there's oysters in here too.
Yep.
I think it's really good.
Yeah.
I do. I know you don't like much care for duck, but I think it's really good.
Well, there you have it. If you try this, let me know what you think. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.